Welcome back to my corner of the internet. As you guys can see from the title, today I am wrapping up my winter project pan. So I am here to share with you guys the final products that were in this project pan from the beginning. I'm very excited for you guys to see the progress that I have because things were literally at the last second doing and getting their goals, which I'm very excited about. So if you're interested to see where we ended up with our winter project pan, let's get to it. Okay, so first and foremost, you guys know that I finished two products already. First was my hard candy lip liner. That was done as the first product, and then the second product was my Givenchy original old formula foundation. So I had 5 more products left in this project pan, so let's get into the rest of the products. Let's start out with our eyeliners. I knew I was not going to finish these eyeliners in this project pan, and something tells me I'm not going to finish them until the end of the year, but that's fine with me because eyeliners should not be finished that quickly unless you're using them as a base all the time. So let's start out with this one. This is the milk chocolate one from Mally. This is all that we have left. You guys, I'm sad to see that I forgot to mention this last month, but Mally Beauty is no longer going to exist. So unfortunately, I will no longer be able to repurchase this or any of the products that I have from Mally Beauty because I do have quite a few. I've always loved their products. And this was my second one. So unfortunately, once this one's done, it is what it is. I've used this quite a bit. Overall in this project pan, this eyeliner was used 42 times. That's actually pretty good. So as of today, this was used 42 times. And this is one of the few times that I haven't used it because today I wanted to wear a green liner. I forgot to mention to you guys, happy St. Patrick's Day. Oh my goodness, how did I forget to say that in the beginning of the video? But happy St. Patrick's Day for those that celebrated. I try to do a little bit of a green wing liner today. But anyway, this is one that I used all the time with any look to deepen the outer V. It's a beautiful eyeliner, so it's not finished, but I did get a lot of use out of it. So I'm happy to say that it wasn't neglected. The other eyeliner that I have here is my NARS Via Veneto, however you want to say it. So this is where we are at. This one has a lot more progress. This is the one that I use every single day. I tightline with it. So I have been using this one all the time. In total, this was used in this project pan 57 times. So 57 times in total. I think I may have used 1 or 2 days I didn't use it because I was using something else, testing something else out. But overall, this was the majority used throughout the whole entire project pan. I'm very excited that it's only this little. And I think I should be done with this by mid-year. Hopefully. It's still here and I'm not rushing it. I'm not rushing it at all. All right, let's move on to my lip oil. So this is my NYX Fat Drip Oil in That's Chic. I wanted to finish this off. I was really close, you guys. In total, I used this lip oil 54 times. That is pretty impressive, Alex. I gotta say, saying those numbers out loud is very impressive. So this is where we ended up. As you guys can see, there is a major windowing in here, and all I have is this little bit left. The darker part is what I'm trying to get. This top part here, it's impossible for me to get. The wand is not flexible or chubby, and I do not need takeout stoppers. So I'm just gonna continue to use this until I finish it. I don't see much of it being left. I don't like wearing it on windy days. Today's a very windy day, so I'm not gonna wear it because then my hair gets in my lips and then it's like dropping. I just can't stand the windy days, and we still have windy, cold days ahead of us. So I'm picking and choosing my battles with this one, but I hope that by when the weather turns and I no longer want to wear these kind of colors, and I'm hopefully done with this one. So unfortunately, I didn't meet my goal on that one, but I was pretty close. I will say I'm pretty close. All right, so let's move on to our hard candy primer. So my goal was to finish this completely off. This was my last one and final one. I have been using this one, mixing it up with my SPF to put it all over my face. It helped out tremendously with being able to blend out my SPF overall and to give me the glow and the moisture that I needed. In total, I used this 62 times. With me completely finishing it off, you guys. There is no more left of this. This is completely done. I have squeezed. It's an air pump, so you guys can see how squished this is. It was a beautiful product. I loved every bit of it, but I'm happy to say that it is done and over with. I will say that I only have one more hydrating primer like this in my collection, and I'm only going to use that one in the winter time. But overall, I don't think I need a hydrating primer because my skincare routine is really good, and it hydrates enough. So I don't think I need a hydrating primer. It's for those days that I'm lazy and don't want to do my skincare, or I'm traveling and I just want to bring less products. So as much as I love this second tube, I wouldn't repurchase it just because of my skincare. I've learned that sometimes this would be too much with my skincare. Sometimes it wouldn't be enough. It's like a good balance, and it was hard to bring this in until I learned how to mix it in with my SPF. Then it was okay. So I am finished this one. This is another empty for the year. Last but not least was my Dior foundation. I was hoping to get to the letter F, you guys. And as you guys can see in the videos, how well I did. I used this a total of 46 times in this project pan to say that I am completely done with it. You will see on the edges that there is coating. The coating won't go down. I have tilted this on the side to get to the wand for me to pump it out. I've done that numerous times. At this point, what is left at the bottom is not enough for me to do a full face. I tried again today to pump it out. Nothing is coming out. See, it's like splatters of product. There is nothing coming out of this. It is officially done. Let me wipe this off. I don't care to open this up and scrape out. The hole is not as big as you would want it, so it's very difficult to get anything down there to scrape what I need to scrape out. I put this upside down. I mean, I've tried everything to get as much as I possibly could out of this. I can honestly say that I've tried everything to get as much as I could out, and I'm happy to say that it's officially done. So as of March, you guys, wow, mid-March, I finished up 2 foundations, which is beautiful. Going forward, for the rest of the year, I'm just going to play around with my foundations, get as much use out of the ones that I want to, so then I can prep myself for next year to pick the 2 foundations that I want to finish off. Because most of my foundations at this point are rather new and high up. All the ones that I started out with are basically all gone and done. So I don't have anything that was from my first round of foundations that I purchased. So now I'm just using what I have and enjoying them and mixing them up. So today I used a foundation for the first time that I haven't used in a while, which it's actually, I really like it. So I've been playing around. So this is done. We met our goal. I'm excited. It took 46 uses to finish this off. I'm going to miss it. I'm not going to lie to you. This was phenomenal. It was beautiful. It was such a beautiful foundation. I really, really loved it a lot. But I won't be buying this one again. I have too many, and I want to go through them before I re-look at everything. Hopefully by the time that I use the ones that I have now and I'm running low, in another 2-3 years, people stop reformulating, and then I can look at reviews and really hone down on the ones that I really want to get to repurchase. This got reformulated yet again, so maybe I'll get that one. I don't know. You'll see. 2-3 years. Give me another 2-3 years and we'll redo foundations all over again. All right, guys, that is it for my winter project pan. I feel like I was very successful. Overall, I finished 4 out of 7. So the 2 foundations, my primer, and a lip liner. And these were the 3 things. This was really close. This could have been an empty if I really stuck to it, but it was a little bit harder for me to constantly transfer into bags. So I will finish this off. This is not going to just sit like this. It will get done. It's just not in this project pan. And then these 2 we knew were not going to get done. So I think I did pretty good. I got more than 50% done in this project pan. Stay tuned because my spring project pan intro will be coming up. I still don't know what I'm going to pick. If you have any suggestions, let me know. I have about 2-3 days before I can film it. So I'm hoping that I can get it down for you guys. All right, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. May God bless you always. I will catch you guys in the next video.